Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be going through the installation process of the Olixar Screen Glass Protector. I'll be applying this form of screen protection to the S20 Plus today. The installation process is also relevant for when applying it to the S20. After the application, I will be reviewing the performance of the phone and the overall look with the screen protector attached. The display of the phone provides spectacular visuals, so you'll be wanting to withhold the appearance of the screen, and this could be the perfect protector to do so. To get things started, I would recommend turning off your phone, as you do not want the screen to keep activating throughout the process. Also, if you use your fingerprint to access your phone, I suggest deleting this feature before applying, and reapply the fingerprint after the application. This is so there is no complications with the device recognising your fingerprint after the glass has been applied. When receiving the glass protector, it will also come with the necessary items that will be needed to install the glass. These items include a microfiber cloth, wet wipe, dust removal sticker and guide stickers, and of course the screen protector itself. To start the installation, use the wet wipe to thoroughly clean the entirety of your screen. Now take the microfiber cloth and remove any excess liquid left from the wipe. With this done, eliminate any dust by using the dust removal sticker. At this point your display will be looking pristine, and it is now time to turn our attention to installing the glass protector. To do so, pull back the plastic from the protector via the tab on the top right corner. Hold the screen protector down when doing so to avoid any dust becoming attracted to the adhesive edges. Lower the glass onto your screen. Use a speaker to help you align the glass correctly. Lastly, using the microfiber cloth, firmly wipe down the edges and the screen fingerprint reader to ensure that they are fitted firmly. The glue on the glass is only around the edges, which avoids any chance of bubbles forming, making the application process extremely simple. Now that these steps are completed, your immaculate display is protected from everyday use. The glass reaches to each curved edge of the screen perfectly. There is a black border, which may not be some people's preferred form of protection, but this one does not interfere with the screen of the phone, which has been a problem with previous screen protectors that support a black border. I have noticed there are no problems with the response rate of the device with this protector attached, though if needing to, you can boost the touch sensitivity of the phone via the phone settings. Fingerprint access seems to work just like before, as does the face recognition, allowing you to still keep your phone secure by using these futuristic features. I've tested numerous cases to ensure I'm still able to provide the phone with 360 protection. Each case, when attached, caused no interference with the screen protector. Therefore, I'm able to give the phone ultimate protection and not be limited to which case I use when doing so. As a result of the materials used to construct this protector, if it becomes damaged, it will crack instead of shatter, making it safer for you when removing from your device. The glass is crystal clear, which allows you to see the full potential of the display when playing games and watching movies from your device. If you would like this form of screen protection for your S20 or S20 Plus, I have posted the link as to where you can find it in the descriptions and comments below. Let me know in the comment section what your favourite screen protector is. For more content regarding tech reviews and mobile accessories, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.